Kentucky reached 2 more settlements with big pharma companies, netting the state millions of dollars.
But after what some lawmakers called a settlement with Purdue Pharma, one that fell short, the question is, did Kentucky get enough money this time? LEX 18's political reporter Carolina Buchek has the details.
It's 2 separate settlements that combine for $39.7 million.
That's how much money Attorney General Andy Beshear said Kentucky is getting from 2 more pharmaceutical companies. The first settlement is with Bayer Corporation for $17 million over its birth control drugs Yasmin and Yaz. The second one will return $22.7 million in Medicaid dollars from the Reckitt Benckiser Group, who distributes the powerful drug Suboxone. Now, the drug is supposed to be used to help recovering opioid addicts reduce their withdrawal symptoms.
What Suboxone is.
But without counseling, Beshear says the drug simply caused more addiction.
But without counseling and without being weaned off of Suboxone, those many years later, when they try to stop taking it, they are just as addicted to opioids as the day they started.
So in total, Kentucky is getting almost $40 million. But is that enough? After Purdue Pharma settled with Kentucky and Oklahoma, people, including lawmakers, raised questions about why Oklahoma got a better deal. Kentucky got $24 million, while Oklahoma got $270 million. So today, reporters asked Beshear how much was the total Suboxone settlement worth. And the Attorney General's office says the total deal is worth more than $1 billion. But they say, based on how this settlement was worked out, Kentucky got its fair share.
It's all based on numbers of prescriptions and costs to Medicaid. So it would have been directly related to what was paid. And then our percentage as the state, the size that we are. We believe that it is a good settlement nationwide, and it's a very good settlement for us.
In Frankfort, Carolina Buchek, LEX 18 News.
In response to these settlements, Kentucky Senate President, who is critical of the amount of money Kentucky got from Purdue Pharma, released this statement, saying in part, this recovery is Kentucky's small portion of a $1.4 billion global settlement.